Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Redmi K20 Pro device, friends. So, is it a right time to buy this kind of mobile in the 2020? So, this was the question which was raised by one of the user, as you can see, friends. So that's why I'm trying to make plenty of videos on seeing the comments. So if you do have any queries regarding any smartphones, do comment below, friends. I'll definitely try to make a video on that as well. So let's get started in this video, friends. And before starting the video, I'll be taking long time to explain each and everything in detail, friends. So this will be a lengthy video, so definitely if you are still looking to buy Redmi K20 Pro device, I will suggest you to watch the entire video, friends, because I'll be covering all plenty of things which I didn't mention before. So definitely I'll be covering performance, battery life and everything, friends. So still, if you want to know more in details about the Redmi K20 Pro, so you're always welcome to check the links in description, so where you can find plenty of videos which I uploaded on the Redmi K20 Pro device, friends. So if you want to know even what wallpapers I'm using in all the mobiles, you can check the links in description, friends, for that. So first let's get started with the Redmi K20 Pro's build quality, friends. So this is the thing, one of the main concern for few users, that is the design is outdated, is any build quality is outdated in the mobile. So overall, friends, the build quality of the mobile is pretty good, friends. So from the beginning, whenever I am using the Redmi K20 Pro device, single hand, it's very much easy and comfortable to use, because the screen size is of 6.3 inches, friends, which is very perfect size for single hand usage without any trouble, friends. So nowadays we are getting the phones above 6.4, 6.5 and 6.67 as well. So definitely you need both hands for few uses. So overall, friends, in terms of the build quality and design, if you take a look at the backside design, it's pretty good, friends. There is no problem at all. So having the pop-up camera and in-display fingerprint scanner, so everything having the 3.5 mm jack on the top, so everything is perfectly build quality is pretty good in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And next topic which I am going to discuss is the display quality, friends. So in terms of the display, so mainly this is a main area which we every time look at the phone, friends. So the display should be should first priority for gamers or any entertainment type of users as well. So in terms of the display, friends, the Redmi K20 Pro has a Super AMOLED panel, so which has a HDR10 certified and DCP-R3, and all other things are definitely supported in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And since it has a Super AMOLED panel, so let me tell you, friends, the advantage is that you always get the always on display, so which is pretty good. So you get different styles, friends, as you can see. So even this always on display actually supports the icons as well, you can see, friends, clearly. So which is pretty good. So that's why I'll highly recommend to buy the mobiles which are having the Super AMOLED panel. So that is the biggest advantage, friends, in this Redmi K20 Pro device. And if you ask me why not a Realme X2 Pro device, I can give you one simple reason, friends, because of its notch area as well. And the mobile is little bit of 6.5 inches, as you can see clearly. So single hand usage, this can be the perfect phone, friends. So which even you can use for long time as well, this kind of high-end processor. So which I'll be discussing later in this video. So now let's just focus on the display things. So definitely, friends, if you're looking to buy a mobile which you will be using for long time, then definitely go for the AMOLED panels, not for the IPS LCD panel, friends. So AMOLED panels are always best. You will be having plenty of features like always on display, so which will be very useful. And apart from this as well, there is also option to increase the colors by using the game turbo mode as well, friends. So which let me show you. So if you go to the settings, you can increase the colors as well, friends, in this way. So which is also another extra advantage in the Redmi K20 Pro device, so which you cannot find this kind of settings in the Realme X2 Pro other devices. So you can see, friends, how much it makes a difference using the normal and extreme, you can see. So I did another video as well, friends, so do check the links in description for the playlist. And the third key area is that in terms of the performance. So overall, friends, in terms of the performance, I'm pretty happy with the Redmi K20 Pro device. So there is no problem at all. As you can see, I've installed plenty of applications, friends. I think more than 150 applications, because every time doesn't matter what phone I use. I'll be installing plenty of Android applications because recently I started doing another episode as well. So best apps of the week. So do check the links in description, friends, for the playlist as well. So that's why I'll be trying plenty of Android applications every day. So to make a one good review on few useful applications. So in terms of the performance, I didn't feel any problem, friends, in this phone. So almost high-end games are always supported in the device, so without any trouble. So in but one drawback is that the phone takes a bit of longer time to charge while playing the games, friends. So that's the one thing which I noticed in the not only in the Redmi K20 Pro, that's in the most of the Redmi phones, I can say. So which take longer time to charge. So that can be a big disadvantage in the Redmi K20 Pro device when compared with the Realme X2 Pro device. So which takes pretty much less time, more close to 45 minutes to completely charge even while playing the PUBG game. But Redmi K20 Pro will take a long time, friends, to charge. So that can be another disadvantage which you can take into consideration. But overall, the performance is pretty good, so there is no problem. The Snapdragon 855 processor is pretty good, and you can use this phone very good comfortably for next 2 to 3 years as well without any trouble, friends. And even in terms of the performance of the fingerprint as well, which is pretty fast, there is no problem, as you can see, friends, here. So which is very fast. But the face ID is very slow, friends. So this is the first disadvantage I found in the Redmi K20 Pro. When from the beginning onwards I am trying to use the face ID unlocking, but it's not at all speeding up, friends. So which is very slow, damn slow. I thought it can be improved with the software, but it is not the case. So overall, the front camera face unlock is pretty bad, so which takes pretty long time, friends, as you can see. So it takes so much of long time when you compare with the Realme X front cam, so which is very fast. So overall, friends, the front cam is not that good, and in terms of the fingerprint scanning is pretty fast. There is no problem, friends. So in terms of build quality, display, and performance, you can definitely use for 2 to 3 years. There is no problem, there is no lag, unless you are like gamer, continuous gamer, and which takes pretty much long time while gaming in the phone. So and next area which I'm going to talk about is camera, friends. So Redmi K20 Pro has a pretty much very three cameras, which we see normally in most of the phones, maybe four cameras, which has a macro lens. So mostly, friends, if you're not that good of using the macro lens, then definitely this three cameras should be capable of doing all the things what you want, because it can record 4K at 60 FPS. Even the night shots are pretty good. There is no problem, friends. As you can see, this I taken night shot, and this is with the normal shot. So it is another pic which I have taken in the phone. So overall, friends, in terms of the camera, there is no problem at all because you are having the three cameras, so we should be pretty much okay with that. So it is another night shot which I taken in the Redmi K20 Pro device, friends. So which is pretty good, as you can see clearly. So this is during the night shot. So friends, in terms of the camera also, I'm pretty happy. There is no problem apart from the slowing of the front camera while unlocking the device. And next, the most important area for few users is that battery life. So this is the most requested question, friends, on the Redmi K20 Pro device. How is the battery life? Battery life. So let me show you, friends, the statistics, how much it is today. So today I was using maybe close to 10 to 11 hours on the 4G network. So when I came back to my home, so I started to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So right now with the 42% left, friends, and throughout this usage, I think I have connected to my Bluetooth earphones for about maybe close to 1 to 2 hours. So I connected to the Bluetooth earphones, and it is a graph, friends, which you can see clearly. I did not when charge the mobile. Meanwhile, you can see it down, and you can see the graph how it's going here. And screen on time, I got around 3 hours and 19 minutes, friends. So you can see the screen on time as well. So overall, friends, you can get screen on time of close to 6 to 7 hours, friends, in the Redmi K20 Pro without any problem. And the phone comes with a 18 watts charger. So at the time of releasing this phone, that is huge, but now right now we are getting 50 watts and 30 watts and other watts supported. But luckily the phone actually supports 27 watts. So definitely I will try to do a charging test by using the Poco X2's charging with that. So overall, friends, in terms of the charging and battery, I'm in terms of battery I'm pretty happy, but in terms of charging only I'm not that satisfied, friends. Even if you're using 27 watts, it takes 80 minutes to full charge, friends, this device, Redmi K20 Pro device. So whereas the Realme X2 Pro can charge in 30 minutes, so which is very very fast. So I definitely I'll be trying to do a another video on the Realme X2 Pro as well. Is it worth to buy in 2020 or not? And don't forget, friends, the charging will be very slow while you are playing the PUBG game. So you do remember that. And in terms of the battery, it's up to the user what you use. So mostly, if you are trying to play continuously games for about 10 to 12 hours a day, then definitely not this mobile. So if you are playing moderately, then definitely, friends, you can buy this kind of mobile. And next, another last key area is that features which are not present in other smartphones and which are present in the Redmi K20 Pro device. And the first main key feature is that portable hotspot of Wi-Fi. So as you can see, friends, right now in this mobile you can use Wi-Fi tethering, so which is a very good, so which is present in the Realme X and most of the Realme phones. So I'm not sure why the Redmi they are not including in Redmi Note 8 Pro or Poco X to other devices, but definitely, friends, this is the most useful feature for me, because whenever my friends used to come to my home, I definitely used to not give my home password. I used to share my Wi-Fi password in this way. So in this way I can set the limit of data as well, how much they I want them to use. For example, if I want them to use only 200 MB, I can set the limit, so which will restrict them using more. So in this way this is very much useful, friends. And another next feature is that always on display. This is the most customized always on display which is present in the smartphone, I can say, friends. Seriously, you can add text, you can write, and even you can add plenty of other designs, and you also get colored all this icon notification, so which is very good. So overall, friends, in terms of the always on display and Wi-Fi tethering, I'm pretty happy with this device as well. So even double tap to wake up the screen and directly place a fingerprint near the screen to unlock, so which is also pretty good. So as you can see, friends, I am not pressing the power button. So I'm not even pressing the power button directly. I am keeping my finger in the fingerprint, so which is very good. So in terms of all these features, it's pretty good, friends. And in terms of dark mode, so dark mode currently is not that much supported like Realme phones. So they do support in the WhatsApp and other most of the applications, but dark mode in the Redmi K20 Pro is not supported in most of the applications. Right now you can see, friends, in the Play Store, so you can see the dark mode is not supported, whereas in the Realme phones the dark mode do support. So this is a overall review of the Redmi K20 Pro device, friends. And one more thing I forgot to mention about the screen recording, what is the resolution and what you can record. So let me open the settings. So as you can see, friends, you can record 1080p, that is a good thing, and video quality 20 mbps, and sound source you can select mic or sound system sound, so which is also very good. So you can record at 60 fps, that is another bonus advantage in the Redmi K20 Pro device, friends. So which is not present in other devices which you can record with this much of high frame rates. So overall, friends, in terms of the futures and everything, it's pretty good. Even in 2020, I can say you can buy this mobile, definitely, friends, for having full screen display and in-display fingerprint and super AMOLED panel. This is definitely worth of buying even in 2020, according to me. So do comment below, friends, what are your thoughts about the mobile. So if you're already a user, do comment below what how is your experience. And if you want to know more about this device, do check the playlist, friends. Don't forget to check the playlist if you're, yeah, if you're willing to buy this mobile. Definitely, you need to know each and everything about the mobile. So that's why I'm uploading plenty of videos. So that's it for this video, friends. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, friends. And always do comment below what are your other questions you are having about other devices. So see you in the next video, friends. Bye.